Yeah, these people always running off at the mouth, trying to make me feel like I need to drop out. No, I'm standing here, this is where I wanna be. My flow is so genuine, it's sweeter than iced tea. The game from the courts to the streets, I got those on lock, never suffering of defeat. Win this game like I got my music on repeat, shut people up, making their knees feel weak. Yeah, kinda looking up to where the high road be. No, I'm not crucified, but I got my Jesus be. Sitting above you, make it seem like I'm a priest. Stick it to me, and I'll leave your body deceased. Yeah, I'm making my own name. I'm not standing here, I'm not doing this for the fame. This is my life, my time to shine. I know what it is hard, but you know I will survive.
You can say what you have to say, my mind's made up anyways. I'm taking the high road, rising above you. This is the last time I'm gonna trust you. You can say what you have to say, my mind's made up anyways. All that bullshit you talk might work a lot, but it's not gonna work today. I'm like, whoa, 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 what do we have here? Bunch of haters talking shit, fuck it, I don't really care. They stand under me like a town under a mayor, and I leave them embarrassed like a lady with no hair. They all trying to convince me that I'm doing shit wrong. All that shit they saying should be enough to send me home, but what doesn't kill me make me strong. So now I'm smoking these motherfuckers like potheads smoke through a bong. Call me King Kong, cause I'm king of the jungle. That's why when they talk, I don't hear nothing but a mumble. And I'ma keep going up, I will never drop, I don't fumble. And I'ma leave you at the bottom because I'm taking the high road. The high road? The high road. Yeah, bitch, the high road. Rising over you like the sunrise over the world. Motherfucker, I don't care what you have to say, so all you bitches can keep talking while I'm walking away. You can say what you have to say, my mind's made up anyways. I'm